für eine Minute.
Mr. President, dear colleagues, we may condemn the capital punishment as such, yet there is a world of difference between executing a person for a murder after a due process and killing a person for criticizing an ideology or a religion. Therefore, we should not discuss death penalty as a whole. We must rather ask whether it is acceptable to sentence people to any kind of punishment for blasphemy. It is wrong from the point of view of the freedom of speech, but also because many barbarian practices, such as child marriage, are deeply rooted in religion. It is in practice impossible to criticize these practices without criticizing their religious foundations. Many European countries have their own blasphemy laws. They should be repealed, and we should set an example for the rest of the world. Thank you.
Herr Kollege, die nächste Rednerin Anna Záborská, auch für eine Minute.
Ďakujem, pán predseda. V prvom rade ďakujem kolegovi Van Dalenovi za iniciatívu zaradiť do programu tento bod. Z vážnych dôvodov som sa nemohla zúčastniť v pondelok rokovania, ale poslala som list predsedovi parlamentu